Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today on this video, I'm going to be doing a review for the Gamma Ray glasses off of Amazon for $15. These glasses, I've been liking them so far. However, in this review and unboxing video, I'm going to go over the things I like about them and don't like about them. Let's go ahead and jump into the review right now. If this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love doing how-to guides and live streaming on my channel. Okay, so I just got this package from Amazon. Let's go ahead and cut it open and see what's inside. Alright, let's pull out the glasses. And here they are. They come in a nice little case here called Gamma Ray Optics. So let's go ahead and take it out of that package. Then they list the support times on there. It looks like it's a standard 8:30 to 5 o'clock. And they have a phone number on there too. That's kind of nice. Usually places don't have a customer service line you can just call. And then there's are you happy or are you sad on the back here. Little product stuff. Okay. So let's take it out here. So, this is a nice little case. I mean, it's going to prevent it from getting crushed if you put something on top of it. Let's go ahead and open them. See what's inside. Alright, so here are the glasses. Doesn't seem to be anything else in here. Just, I don't know what this is really. Maybe to clean off the lenses. Just to make sure there's no dust or anything that's going to scratch it. So that just goes back in the case here. Let's go ahead and put that back. And let's take out these glasses and try them on for the first time here. See if they feel well, see how they feel. I bought $15 pairs of glasses from Walmart before, and those have broke fairly quickly. So these ones, they don't feel too bad, and they definitely feel like they're not an expensive pair. Just holding them, they're pretty light. Let's try them on. I have a weird shaped face / larger bridge nose. For me, they don't feel too bad right now. For a longer duration, maybe they don't feel too heavy on my face at all. The bridge feels fine. They don't look too bad, do they, Sarah? No, I can definitely tell there's a yellowy tint to the glasses right away, just looking at everything. But it doesn't change it too much, just a slight yellowish tint. You can kind of see it just looking at it right now. These glasses, what they do is they block a blue light coming in, and apparently that's damaging from your phone, from your screen, your monitor, your TV, and it will allow you to look at your screen longer without getting eye fatigue and headaches, eye strain. So let's go ahead and have Sarah try them on. What do you think of them right away?
Yeah, I can tell there's a little bit of a yellowish tint to it, but it's not bad.
Well, does it
It
change,
looks
like,
fine.
the colors?
Oh, they're comfortable. They're pretty lightweight, actually. They don't, like, weigh down on your face or anything.
They look a lot bigger than you.
Yeah, I have a tiny head.
Yeah.
I'm a tiny human.
So she's tinier. It seems like there's a one size fit all kind of thing with these. For me, I guess it looks pretty typical. Doesn't really seem too large for my face, so there's a side-by-side comparison of two different people for you. Overall, my impressions are pretty good for 15 bucks. When I first opened it up, I mean, for 15 bucks, this is a nice little case. I mean, you go to Walmart, you just see them on top of that, like, swirly stand. You know, you actually get a nice case here. And it seems like they care because they put their customer service number right on the front of the box. I love that. I've never seen that before. 90-day money-back guarantee. So check these out on Amazon. I have an affiliate link down below that will take you over to the Amazon product page, and you can check out Gamma Ray Optics. This was $15 off Amazon. It's going to help with your eye fatigue, your eye strain, getting headaches from looking at screens too long. So yesterday I wore my Gamma Ray glasses around the house, and while I was live streaming video games over on YouTube and Twitch at YourSixStudios, and I noticed initially that they did indeed help. Right away when I looked at my phone. Usually when I look at my phone, I feel a slight pain in my eyes, and I noticed that right away when I looked at my phone screen. And over the course of the night playing video games, I noticed my eyes felt much more relaxed. They weren't painful. I wasn't getting any eye strain. And it was nice. I usually have 2 monitors set up right here and then a light behind me. So I do have a lot of light on my face, in my eyes. In terms of my initial impressions, this definitely does help my eyes. And I think I'll be wearing them, not all the time, but maybe some of the time. Like maybe every other day. Or if I do get to the point where I feel like my eyes are starting to fatigue a little bit and they're strained. So do these glasses work? Yes, from my experience, they do indeed work. Right away when I looked at my phone, I noticed it. And streaming over the course of the night for 10 plus hours, my eyes felt much more relaxed, much more refreshed after I took my glasses off and I was done streaming for the night. And I got away from all the lights and computer screens. Well, for 15 bucks, I definitely do recommend these glasses. Give them a shot. However, there's only one size for all of these. So if you got a little bit smaller head, you got a little bit larger head, just be cautious. I showed you a comparison between my wife and I. I like my glasses so far, and I can definitely tell they're working. If you like my review and my unboxing video for the Gamma Ray glasses, go ahead and subscribe down below, and check out some of the other videos coming up next on my channel.